best way to get better at programming is to practice. And in this example, we're going to build a very, very simple Java class, assuming that you've never done it before. As always, this starting file is available using a link in the description provided below. I'll give you a couple seconds to download it if you'd like, or you can simply follow along. Alright, so let's get started. Here I have just a comment in Java. You'll notice that a comment starts with a slash and then a star, can be multiple lines and then have a star and slash for the end. This is known as a multi-line comment in Java and is very similar to what you might find in C or C++. Now, in order to create a Java class, we're going to need to put in a couple of keywords. So the first one we're going to have is what's known as an accessor, and that is who can access this file. Now, Java has 4 different ones. We're going to look at the first one, which is public. Public means that anyone can access this. And this is what is used 99% of the time or more when you're creating a Java class. That's because in general, you want anyone to be able to create an object based upon this class. So we're going to say public and then class. This is going to tell Java that, hey, I'm building a class. Well, what class am I going to build? The next thing is the class name. Class names are going to be very familiar if you've ever had any experience in a C-style language. That is, it's going to have to start with a letter. It can be uppercase, lowercase, and have numbers associated with it. That's what you're most commonly going to see. But one of the interesting rules is that it must be the name of the file. So this is completely different than some other languages, and you just might have to remember it. It's real simple. So I'm going to say, in this case, example 01. In standard Java naming conventions, we name our classes with a capital letter. So I've done that here as well. I've also named my file name with a capital letter. I have an open and closing brace, and anything inside those braces is going to be part of our class body. And so this is a great example, very, very simple, of how to build a Java class. Now, we're going to look at putting additional content inside of that later on. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider looking at the other videos inside this series on how to get better at programming in Java.